It looked ordinary at first, just another check-in, another scan, another routine exchange. But when a black woman encountered a booking error at the airport, the calm way she handled it changed everything, turning confusion into clarity and forcing the system to quietly correct itself. The airport moves with its usual controlled urgency, screens flickering with departures and arrivals, announcements blending into a constant hum, travelers stepping forward with documents in hand, and the black woman enters this flow prepared and unhurried, having checked her itinerary more than once, confident that everything is in order, when the disruption begins with a pause at the counter. The agent's fingers hovering over the keyboard just a moment too long, eyes narrowing slightly at the screen, and she notices the shift immediately, not because anything is said yet, but because routine has been interrupted, and when the agent finally speaks, the words are cautious, explaining that there appears to be an issue with her booking, something not aligning correctly in the system, and she listens carefully, posture relaxed, assuming the matter will be resolved quickly because she followed every step, received confirmations, and arrived on time. Yet as the agent continues to search, the explanation grows less clear, referencing mismatched records, duplicated segments, or missing confirmations, and the stillness stretches, drawing subtle attention from nearby travelers who sense the delay, and she responds evenly, stating that her booking was confirmed and unchanged, that no notifications were received, and that she has documentation to support it, and the exchange remains polite but unresolved. Because the system insists on its version of events, and this is where tension often builds, where frustration is expected to surface, yet she remains calm, not rushing to defend herself, not apologizing for certainty, simply asking for the issue to be reviewed more closely, and that request slows the moment, shifting it away from assumption and toward verification, and as a supervisor is called, logs are reviewed, timestamps checked, and internal notes examined, the truth begins to surface gradually, revealing a booking error created during a back-end update, a silent alteration that did not trigger notification but altered how her reservation appeared at the counter, and the realization is visible in the staff's posture, because the issue is no longer ambiguous, it is traceable, and responsibility begins to shift away from her entirely, and the tone at the counter changes, explanations becoming more precise, actions more deliberate, and when the correction is finally applied, restoring her booking exactly as it was originally confirmed, the resolution happens quietly but decisively, and she receives updated documents without commentary, without any outward celebration, simply returning to the calm she never lost, while the surrounding space absorbs the moment, aware that what could have escalated instead resolved through patience, clarity, and the willingness to let the facts surface. What gives this moment its significance is not the booking error itself, but the way it was handled, because system errors often rely on individuals absorbing inconvenience without question, and black women in particular are frequently expected to accept disruption gracefully, quietly, without pressing for deeper explanation, yet she refused to internalize the system's mistake as her own. And her calm was intentional, rooted in the understanding that emotional reaction can be mischaracterized, while steady presence demands accountability. And by not rushing to fix the discomfort for others, she allowed the discomfort to do its work, exposing the flaw in the process rather than masking it, and as staff moved from uncertainty to clarity, the imbalance became clear, because what initially appeared as a question of her booking became a confirmation of the system's failure. And although the absence of an immediate apology reflected institutional hesitation, it did not diminish the outcome, because the correction itself spoke plainly, and those nearby witnessed the full sequence, the pause, the confusion, the review, and the resolution, and that sequence lingers, because it demonstrates how easily authority can lean on automation without verification, and how necessary it is for someone to remain steady long enough to demand accuracy, and for her, the moment reinforced a familiar truth. That calm does not mean passive, and patience does not mean acceptance, and while the error cost her time and certainty, it did not cost her dignity, because she controlled the narrative through composure, insisting on truth without confrontation, and allowing the system to correct itself publicly. And as she moved on through the terminal, the space returned to motion, but the impression remained, because accountability had surfaced quietly, reshaping how the moment would be remembered by those who saw it unfold. From a broader perspective, the incident reveals how much trust travelers place in systems that operate invisibly, and how quickly that trust is tested when errors surface without explanation. Yet her experience shows that transparency can still be achieved when someone remains present and grounded, refusing to let confusion rush the outcome. And although the resolution did not come with ceremony or extended acknowledgement, the timing mattered, because it arrived before the error could be normalized, before inconvenience could be reframed as policy, and her steadiness ensured the ending aligned with reality rather than assumption. And those who witnessed it may never recount the details aloud, but they will remember the shift, the supervisor's pause, the screen turning back toward verification, and that memory subtly reshapes expectations about fairness and accountability in shared spaces. And for her, the significance lies not in the corrected booking alone, but in the confirmation that she did not need to perform urgency, frustration, or gratitude to be treated correctly, and that knowledge carries forward, reinforcing confidence in future encounters where systems falter, reminding us that while errors are inevitable, erasure is not, and sometimes the most effective response is not escalation or resignation, but calm insistence that the truth be found and honored. If this story resonated, share it with intention, not to spotlight mistakes, but to recognize calm resolution. Support conversations that examine how booking systems fail, who is expected to absorb the cost, and how dignity can be preserved in moments of disruption. Follow for more stories that center lived experience, steady composure, and moments where patience restores clarity. Because sometimes the most powerful correction doesn't come from pressure, it comes from staying calm long enough for the truth to appear.